Welcome to HIRECONOMICS. In this episode, we'll talk about 3 ways how to look at LinkedIn profile anonymously. When you have a paid LinkedIn recruiter license, it's pretty easy thing to do, but let's talk about some free ways. So the first thing what you can do is using a simple Google search. So you'll use a simple string with site operator and add the name, location, or job title of the user. It's very important to log out from your LinkedIn profile when you're doing this, or use a separate window of the browser. However, 12% of LinkedIn users are not indexed by Google due to some restrictions in their privacy settings. So there definitely will be some users that you won't be able to see. But in majority of cases, Google works pretty well, but you won't be able to see the full detailed profile. So then you can try the second way. The second thing what you can do is use a EZ Preview Chrome extension. This is very handy extension, not only for anonymous viewing of profiles, but for LinkedIn sourcing overall, because it makes things faster. So when you install the Chrome extension, there will be a link in the article on the blog or under the video. Then you have this extension and you just go to your LinkedIn, type the candidate's name, and then you have the candidate in the search result in the people part. But don't click on the name, just put the cursor over the name and you'll see a little EZ logo, this blue logo here. And you simply hover over the logo and you will see a preview window of the profile. You see the full profile, you can screen through it and you can even save it. But this user not gonna know that you viewed the profile. So this is pretty handy thing to use. So this was the second way what you can do to view the profiles anonymously. The third way, in case that you want to restrict it to all LinkedIn profiles you are going through, you can change your privacy settings. So you will go into settings and privacy, and in privacy part you will choose profile viewing options. And here you have 3 options: your name and headline, private profile characteristics, or private mode. So if you switch to private mode, users won't be able to see your name or job title when you're actually viewing the profiles. So this is the very simple third way. However, viewing candidate's profile can be actually engaging and can lead to better communication and engagement with candidates. Sometimes the good tactics to use is even if it's possible to ask a team leader or CEO to view the candidate's profile and in this way somehow express the interest of the company in this candidate. So sometimes, yes, you want to view profiles anonymously, but it also can be your handy, engaging recruitment technique. Happy hunting!